I got a man now. I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back. So I have a long overdue GS Love haul. Y'all, I found some bomb outfits. And it's like the ones that I thought I wouldn't even like, I loved, and I don't even know where I would wear them to. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first one I'm wearing, and the silver hair, gray hair will be up for review later. I have to actually re-flat iron and all that, so don't worry about it. It's looking rough right now. So the first thing I'm wearing is this like velvet, meshy type of two-piece we got going on off the shoulder. The bottoms are like stretch leggings, and they're like mesh color blocked with velvet. It's just so freaking, I love it. Like, I don't even know what else to say. I just love it so much. And I'm gonna be so mad if I forgot to even film this outfit. Like, wow, I'm gonna have to go back and film it. Anyways, so it's just a crop top. You can zip it up and down so you can show as much or as little cleavage as you want. And then, yeah, I just thought this was a nice going out outfit. I was joking around on Snapchat. I was like, yeah, this is definitely an outfit you can wear for your ex's funeral. This one and the another one I'm going to show you. So the next thing is this cute little sparkly blue and black two-piece set, and it just says be cool, be yourself, be cool, be yourself, going all the way down the leg. I love that it has pockets. I love that the top is like a little crop, but you still have a lot of coverage. It is wide leg, and I know it's a lot of material, so it's nice and flowy, but it's, you know, I don't want to say it's heavy, but it does have some weight to it. So yeah, I really like this set. I just don't know where I would wear this stuff to. Next, well, what was I about to say? The next set was like a disappointment because I really wanted it to work. I can't even turn around and show you guys it in a try on because like you would have saw straight ass, to be honest. But it's just so freaking pretty. I think it'll fit a 2X, a 1X or a 2X perfectly, but definitely not a 3X. Well, if you have like hips and behind. I had the most trouble in the thigh and butt area, so yeah. But other than that, like, this is a really nice outfit, and it stretches so much. It's just not enough stretch in the right areas. So this next set I thought I would hate. It was actually pretty expensive. It's probably the most expensive thing I got from GS Love. It was 80 bucks, but it's just to die for. It's a mini skirt and like cropped, not blazer, but cropped jacket. You can zip it up, and I wore it without a shirt. I just zipped it up and wore it just like that. I love this so much. Like, this could be my birthday outfit. To think, yeah, when I think about it, yeah, like, it's just so freaking pretty, so sexy. I just loved it way more than what I thought. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm into this sequin, and I'm like, this is definitely something Kirsten would love. It's usually not my cup of tea at all. So the next thing is this silver bodysuit. It is a thong, and honey, it gave me the wedgie of a lifetime, to be honest. It's low cut in the back, scoop neck in the front, and yeah, it doesn't have the clasp at the bottom, so you can't like snap it at the bottom. You have to pull it up, I guess the regular way. So then I have this, I call this the birthday skirt, and it's like a sheer skirt with the built-in panty, and then it has like these rhinestone bedazzles at the bottom. It's just like an ombre effect. I think this is really cute. It has the bedazzles around the waist or the hips area, and then around the bottom. I like that it's not bedazzled all over. I like that you do have that just straight sheer black going on, but I just love this so much. It's long, flowy, stretches a ton. It's just, I love it. It's like a nice ombre rhinestone effect. So then I also have this pair of pants that I was just hoping would work, because I've tried these lattice lace up type of pants for like, I guess a couple of months now, and I haven't found the perfect ones. I tried so many well, not so many, but I tried a few stores, and they just didn't work out. It was either the material was too thin or the lace up was annoying, you know, just something. But these, you don't have to adjust the lace. It stretches with you. It's black velvet, and yeah, the laces go all the way up. So you might want to wear either a black brief, black shorts, or a black thong. with this one right here. So then I have this orange blazer. I thought this would be cute. I think it's a cute fall blazer, but I think it's a nice pop of color for the spring as well. I think orange is, well, this is not the shade of orange I would probably wear in the spring, but who really cares about the rules, y'all? I just think this is a nice blazer, really nicely made. It doesn't stretch. I don't think that was going to be a good sentence. It doesn't have a lot of stretch, but yeah, other than that, I just wish it stretched a little bit more, but it is really nicely made. It has a nice lining to it, and the ones with the lining kind of makes me sweat, so yeah. Then the next thing is just this nice little sweater vest duster thing I got going on here. I just really like to throw on stuff. I feel like with the weather we've been having, the 60-70 degree, this would be a nice little throw on piece with a white crop top, some jeans, and maybe some sneakers or some booties or something. But this is definitely just like a throw on casual piece, but you can also dress it up if you choose to. But just because of the material and the color, I'll probably wear it casual. So then I have a pair of jeans that I never knew would fit me. I never knew that GS had jeans that would fit me because I tried a pair of pants from there and it was a no-go. I tried a jumpsuit, it was a no-go. So I was really scared to try their jeans. This is just a pair of lightly distressed jeans. It's a little bit of distressing on the rear pocket, and then it's like two slits in each, well, a slit in each knee. So yeah, it reminds me of a jean that I already own, but I need to buy more because it ripped in the thigh area after a year. But yeah, these are really thick. They are like a nice stretch denim. It's not like a jegging material. So yeah, like I said, I just didn't know it would work out. So then the last thing is this cute cropped hoodie. I love it. It's super lightweight, and again, it's perfect for these 60-70 degree days that we've been having lately. And it just says love on the front, on the sleeves, and then it has a hoodie, like I said. So yeah, it's a nice length when it comes to the crop. So that's that. And I love green all of a sudden. So that completes my GS Love hauls. Keep a lookout for some pics that I'm going to throw on the gram as well. So I think I'm done. I do have a coupon code. It might still be, oh, it might have changed because it was DW Holiday. But if it changed, I will leave that on the screen, and that's for 20% off. So yeah, thank you guys for joining. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm just in love with this. Now let me see if I filmed this outfit because I'm gonna be mad if I didn't, y'all.